Gadget, and in this video we're going to be going through the X-Mate Zorro wired USB gaming mouse and understanding all the different features, button placements and the mouse in general. So we've already unboxed this device and you can see that it's mostly a plastic build. On the top you have a fairly long, it's a fairly long mouse basically, and on the top you can see keys are present on the sides. This is the front button, this is the rear button, and then you have the DPI switch on top. 4 different DPI levels as we've seen previously. You go through 800, 1200, 1600 and 3200. These are the 4 different DPI levels, and each level has a different color coding to sort of indicate as to what you've gotten selected at that particular moment. So you start off with violet at 800 DPI and then switch to blue at 1200 DPI, then purple comes in at 1600, and lastly you have red at 3200. Then you have the usual left and right clicks, so these are fairly audible but not as sharp and overbearing as some of the other mice that we've seen. Then the scroll wheel is also a click, and we can see that the scroll has several steps in it. It's not a free-flowing wheel. Aside from that, the side textures happen to be normal plastic. You can see how it looks like, and there are certain elements which appear to be metallic but they are actually plastic, these things on the side. You can see the colors sort of emanate once you have this plugged in, and on the underside you can see grips, or rather skid pads is what we call them. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them, and the box doesn't come with any additional replacements in case these things wear out. And in the center you have a metallic surface with the actual circuitry and the LED inside. So that's let's say it's gotten slightly better build quality in this particular aspect. But the side panels and all of these things, the rest happen to be plastic. So you have 4 screws. This makes it very easily serviceable. The cable is not removable, and we've seen that it has braided cable that's about 1.2 meters long. This thing has a connector which comes with a slightly fashionable USB plug which should make it stand out. It's not gold plated, which is something we see in some other gaming mice. And why don't we sort of debraid the cabling and get it connected so you can see what it looks like. So we're going to plug it in, and it has already started glowing in blue, and we can switch the DPI levels. You can see the colors emanating from the sides over here, and it's in bits over here. You can see the little slits over here which let the light through. So now we are in purple. Next one happens to be red. Whoa. And we have purple again. Purple, blue, pink and red. So the 4 colors that we went through were violet, blue, purple and red. Violet and purple are quite easy to sort of interchange and forget. So this would be 3200 DPI, and this would be 800, 1200 and 1600. It would be kind of difficult to tell the difference between 800 and 1600, but then again it should be very apparent when you're using the mouse because your cursor is going to be jumping all over the place. So that's it for this particular overview of the X-Mate Zorro. It's a wired USB gaming mouse from a brand called X-Mate, and if you'd like us to do similar unboxings and overviews of gaming peripherals, mice, keyboards and all those things, please do like and share this video, and as always do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.